Hello learners, if you are looking for generating a reference using Mendeley application, this video is for you. So before jumping into a video, you need a software. You can just spell Mendeley desktop. You can just click on download. It is going to take you to their website. There you need to create a free account. You need to just press on create a free account and it is free. If you have been not created, you can just click on create account. If it has been already created, then it's fine. It will be automatically logins and it allows you to download the application. Once the application has been downloaded, you can just double click on it. So it is just an executable file. You can double click and press next and this application will be installed. So this is a Mendeley reference manager. So here you are having all the references. So which are being favorite. If you need to press any of a favorite, you can just press the star mark. So if you are having your own publication, you can cite over here. So here all the references will be available. So how to add a new paper to your reference or a manager to generate references from a respective software, that is Mendeley. So we are having two options. First one is you can just press add new, import from computer. You can just import the files or the whole folder. So you can just go to import from file. You can select all the respective files. It will just upload. So it will take some time based on your internet speed. It is going to get uploaded. So now this is a one form of getting your reference into this manager. So you can just have another thing, add reference manually. So here you can just add DOI of a respective paper. See, consider we are having some of our papers here. So I've been just gone to the Google Scholar. So based on your topic, you can just type over here. So you can have a click respective paper which you have been interested. So you can just have any of the papers. It can be like this one. So you need to find DOI of a paper. Mm, okay, you can go for this. DOI. Yeah, here is the DOI. You can just copy this. You can go to your respective software. You can paste the DOI without only the numbers. So it can just say it has been found and it has been taken the author names, title of a paper. So it is a journal article and which journal it has been to, with what is the year and what is the page number, what is the volume and issue, and in which month it has been just published and what is the day, and it has been already taken some of a abstract as well. So you can add it. So this is add reference manually. So if you are having many of papers, like you have been already having some of the papers which have been available in your desktop. So I'm just saving it. So once all the files have been available, you can just go for import from files. Okay, if you're having any duplication, you can just delete. Okay, so you can just move it to trash. So after having all these things, so you can go for, so you need to generate a reference automatically from Mendeley software. So what you need to do is go to file, click on export all, and you can go for bibtex or XML file or RIS file. I am going to have bibtex and I'm going to give the name for it. So you can give any of a name like reference one and you are going to save it. So once the reference have been got into a system, what you need to do is you need to go for generating a paper or a latex version of your document. So how you can do this one is you can just upload the downloaded file from an Mendeley software. So here reference one. So you can just change the name of the respective file, reference one. So the style is IEEE, and this is like a Overleaf. So the name of this software is Overleaf. I have just taken this to show you how exactly the reference from a Mendeley is going to work for this. So you can just see automatically the author name, the title, and which year and what is the journal. So you can just see here how systematically it has been taken all the things from an respective software. So the other version is like you can have the groups. See, consider if you're working on objective one, you can have this kinds of groups here. So you can push to the groups and you can name the collections as well. So these are all the respective things which you have been just seen with. So you can just add to objective one. So whenever you are preparing any of a thesis, so if you are referring any of a papers on a go, so if it has been out of your mind, so the best thing is download it, add to the Mendeley reference manager, give the groups objective 1, objective 2, objective 3, and easily while preparing your thesis or a paper, you can have the reference section from here. So the simple file export all bibtext. That's it. So that's it for this video. So in this video, we have been learned how to download the Mendeley, how to create an account with giving a simple names and an email ID. So once it has been downloaded, you have been just seen how to add the reference papers through through uploading all the files in a folder. That is the first option, and the second one is through manually editing, like adding the DOI of a paper, so the reference will be generated. So you can just download all these papers. So this is like a library where you can push all the papers what you have been referred. So that's it for this video. Enjoy learning. Stay tuned.